now is spirits or spirit of the week.
Am I reading this?
Yes, please follow. Let's do this.
All right. So the Old No and the Moonrise Distilleries. So Old No is in Mountain City, Georgia, and that's exactly where we stayed. And they have historic recipes, bitters, and botanical spirits that they all make there. And they have very limited hours. So really, they don't open until 4. And Mountain City, overall, I have to say, does close a little bit earlier. So around 8 or 9, they're kind of done.
Yeah, I think the latest that they had was on a Saturday. I think it was from 4 to 10.
Oh, okay.
But I think on Mondays and Tuesdays they were closed. And then Sundays it closed early. So it's really not a lot of hours.
No, but it's a great vibe. Yeah. It's very open. They have board games there. It's a great place to go and hang out and vibe with your friends. So I thought it was adorable. I love the decor, very dark and wooden.
Yeah, it was like almost borderline like a cool hipster vibe in the middle of Mountain City. I was like, this is amazing.
It's great.
The owners are phenomenal.
Very nice.
Very knowledgeable in what they do. I called the owner and I forgot the gentleman's name, but I called him a wizard because he basically pulled out, well, he didn't pull it out, but he basically told me that he has a book from 1902.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, and he gave me a drink that's called like the root beer. I forgot the name of it, and I'll put it here somewhere. That it's inspired by that book that he found of recipes from 1902. So that's the attention to detail that mixologist and owner and distiller have over their drinks. And I'm honestly, I think we even purchased.
I bought They don't sell their actual like gin and vodka. They are in the process of getting there, but they do sell their spirits and all of their mixers that go inside the drinks to make them extra special. So I bought 3 different ones. It was a variety pack because I didn't have a bad drink there. And he went and I had gone at a separate time and we all kind of had something different and all of them were amazing.
Yeah, I think I found my new favorite poolside drink and it's called the Honey Badger. And it was so good.
It's bourbon, honey, but it's the mixer, which I bought is what makes it.
Which again, they make and it's phenomenal. So please, if you're in Mountain City, Georgia, pass by Old No Beverage Company. By the way, they did give me some inside information. They will expand to a collegey town in Georgia.
Oh, cute.
That I think they were going to do phenomenal there.
Really good.
Because the vibe that they have there is definitely like if I was a college student in Georgia, I would want to
hang out there.
Yeah, 100%. So Old No Beverage Company, please check them out when you're there in Mountain City.